The liver is one of the toughest organs in your body and is responsible for different functions. But a harmful disease like fatty liver can cause it to dysfunction. It is a common liver disease that has serious implications if left unchecked. Today, we will discuss 8 signs that indicate you might have fatty liver disease. What is fatty liver disease? But first, let's address what actually fatty liver disease is. Our liver is important for breaking down fats and managing how your body stores and uses energy. When your liver gets loaded with excess fat, it struggles to perform these tasks efficiently. This condition is what we know as fatty liver disease. Here are 8 signs of fatty liver disease you should never ignore. Number 1. Unexpected weight gain around your belly. Have you ever noticed your belly feels a bit fuller, even if you have not changed your eating habits or skipped your gym routine? Well, it is more than extra snacks or missed workouts. This unexpected weight gain, especially around your belly, is also a warning sign of fatty liver disease. When the fatty liver disease develops, one of the first places you notice changes is around your midsection. This is not because of regular weight gain. Instead, it is due to your body struggling to handle insulin as effectively as it should. If you don't know, insulin is a hormone that helps control your blood sugar levels and how your body stores fat. With fatty liver disease, your liver becomes unaffected by insulin, increasing fat accumulation, especially around your abdomen. Also, the liver's ability to break down fats is weakened. Normally, the liver converts fats into energy, but this process is slowed down or stops when it's fatty. As a result, fats that should be used for energy remain in the body. With the liver unable to process fats effectively, the body starts storing these fats elsewhere, mainly around the belly area. But the question is, why is the fat stored around the belly? It's because the liver is centrally located in the abdominal cavity. The excess fat is deposited in nearby tissues when the liver becomes overloaded with fat. The belly, or abdominal area, is the closest and most convenient storage site for this excess fat. Also, the blood supply from the digestive organs goes directly to the liver through the portal vein. When the liver cannot process all the fat, these fats are redirected to nearby abdominal fat stores through the same circulatory route. If you're noticing unexpected weight gain around your belly, don't ignore it. Consider it a signal from your body to take action and reassess your health habits. Number 2. Increased cholesterol levels. Another sign that indicates fatty liver disease is increased cholesterol levels. If your cholesterol levels are rising despite your efforts, it could be a signal from your liver. How? Let's get into this. First, what is cholesterol? It is a fatty substance found in your blood, necessary for building healthy cells. Our liver is important for metabolizing fats. In a healthy liver, fats are processed into energy or used to create lipoproteins, which transport fats in the blood. A fatty liver is less efficient at these tasks, leading to an imbalance in fat metabolism and increased cholesterol levels. The liver also stores and processes triglycerides. When it becomes fatty, it struggles to manage these fats, leading to higher levels of triglycerides in the blood. Increased triglycerides contribute to the formation of VLDL, short for very low-density lipoprotein, which in turn increases overall cholesterol levels. The liver also contains receptors that help clear low-density lipoprotein cholesterol or bad cholesterol from the blood. Fatty liver disease affects these receptors, reducing their ability to remove bad cholesterol efficiently, resulting in higher levels of bad cholesterol in the bloodstream. Also, a fatty liver releases inflammatory cytokines, which affect lipid metabolism. These inflammatory markers lead to increased production and reduced clearance of cholesterol, resulting in increased levels. Fat accumulation in the liver also generates oxidative stress, damaging liver cells and impairing their function. This stress further disturbs the balance of cholesterol production and clearance. Do you know that these increased cholesterol levels further contribute to many health issues, including heart disease? For proper treatment, it is necessary to know the root cause of the problem. So, never ignore these changes in your body and consult your doctor. Number 3. Persistent fatigue. Everyone feels tired and exhausted from time to time, but it's usually temporary. However, if you don't feel better after having a relaxing day or getting a healthy amount of sleep, and this drained feeling continues over time, then it is something you should be worried about. This never-ending fatigue is a signal that your liver is not detoxifying your body effectively and is one of the major symptoms of fatty liver disease. But why does this happen? Your liver is one of the most powerful organs, managing more than 500 important functions, beneficial for your body's well-being. One of its major roles is detoxifying harmful substances, storing energy reserves, and regulating your metabolism. But when fat accumulates within the liver, these necessary processes falter, leading to many health issues. It also decreases energy production and distribution throughout your body. Let's learn in detail how fatty liver disease affects your energy. As you know, the liver plays a central role in metabolizing nutrients from your food into energy. But this metabolic process is affected when it becomes infiltrated with fat. As a result, your body struggles to efficiently convert food into usable energy, leaving you feeling fatigued and lethargic. A fatty liver also disrupts the balance of important nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are beneficial for supporting energy production pathways and fighting oxidative stress. But when their levels are compromised due to fatty liver disease, your body struggles to generate sufficient energy, leading to feelings of fatigue and exhaustion. Number 4. Pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen. Pay attention if you also experience discomfort or a dull pain in the upper right of your abdomen. This area is where your liver resides. This pain can be caused by many things, but it is also a warning sign of fatty liver disease. When your liver becomes fatty, it swells or enlarges as it struggles to process all the excess fat. This enlargement puts pressure on the surrounding tissues, including the liver's capsule, a thin layer of tissue covering the organ that covers the liver. This capsule stretching causes pain, or a feeling of fullness in the upper right side of your abdomen, right where your liver sits. Like a swollen finger hurts when touched, an enlarged liver also becomes more sensitive. Even light pressure on the upper right abdomen causes pain and discomfort. Also, fatty liver disease increases the risk of developing gallstones, which are hard deposits in the gallbladder. If a gallstone gets stuck in the bile ducts, it causes a sharp pain in the upper right abdomen, mostly shifting to the back or shoulder. In severe cases, fatty liver disease also leads to inflammation or scarring of the bile ducts. These hurdles result in intense pain in the upper abdomen, accompanied by symptoms like nausea and vomiting. As the liver is richly supplied with nerves, when it is inflamed or enlarged due to fatty liver disease, these nerves also become irritated. This irritation manifests as aching or discomfort in the upper right abdomen. Number 5. Increased blood pressure. Another sign you should pay attention to is increased blood pressure. Increased blood pressure is a symptom of many diseases, including fatty liver disease. This increased blood pressure also further leads to heart diseases like heart attack. Fatty liver disease, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, is more than your liver getting a bit heavier with fat. It's about how this excess fat influences other systems in your body, including your circulatory system. One of the key players in this situation is insulin resistance, which is commonly associated with fatty liver disease. When your liver is clogged with fat, its sensitivity to insulin decreases, which leads to higher levels of insulin in your blood. This hormonal imbalance affects your liver and also influences how your kidneys handle sodium. Insulin tells the kidneys to hold on to more sodium, and more sodium means more water retention, which raises blood pressure. The endothelium is the inner lining of your blood vessels, and it plays a key role in regulating blood pressure by releasing substances that either constrict or dilate blood vessels. Fatty liver disease also leads to endothelial dysfunction, where the ability of this lining to function properly is compromised. This dysfunction results in tighter, less compliant blood vessels, pushing blood pressure higher. Besides, inflammatory substances released by fatty liver damage blood vessels or make them less flexible. Stiffer vessels are more resistant to blood flow, leading to increased blood pressure. Number 6. Unusual hunger cravings. Ever find yourself feeling unusually hungry, especially craving sweets? These excess cravings sometimes indicate serious issues, especially accompanied by other serious symptoms. As we have discussed earlier, non-alcoholic fatty acid disease is closely linked to insulin resistance. When your liver is fatty and becomes resistant to insulin, your body's normal response to insulin gets thrown off. This leads to higher blood sugar levels and a need for more insulin. Higher blood sugar levels signal to your body that it needs more insulin to help manage the excess glucose. As a result, your body craves more energy to deal with the increased blood sugar levels. This triggers cravings for foods high in carbohydrates or sugar, as they provide a quick energy boost. Leptin is a hormone that helps regulate hunger and signals your brain when you are full. Fatty liver disease leads to leptin resistance, meaning your brain does not receive the signal that you are full, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Also, ghrelin is a hormone that stimulates appetite. Fatty liver disease disturbs ghrelin levels, leading to heightened feelings of hunger and cravings for food, even when your body does not necessarily need more energy. As we discussed before, fatty liver causes a general feeling of tiredness. When you are tired, your body usually misinterprets this as a need for more energy, mostly in the form of food. This leads to craving quick energy boosts from sugar-rich or carbohydrate-heavy foods. Number 7. Jaundice. Another major sign of fatty liver disease is jaundice. Jaundice is a condition followed by yellowing of the skin, whites of the eyes, and mucous membranes. It occurs when there is an excess of bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the normal breakdown of red blood cells, in the bloodstream. But the question is how fatty acid liver causes jaundice. In fatty liver disease, excess fat accumulates in the liver, leading to inflammation and damage to liver cells. Over time, this damage progresses to more severe conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis or cirrhosis. When fatty liver disease progresses, especially to more severe stages like NASH or cirrhosis, the liver's functionality is highly affected. As fat accumulates in the liver, it leads to inflammation and liver cell damage. These changes hinder the liver's ability to process and clear bilirubin effectively. Bilirubin is normally processed by the liver and excreted into bile, which is then eliminated from the body. But when the liver is damaged, bilirubin accumulates in the bloodstream, leading to jaundice. In severe cases of fatty liver disease, especially in advanced cirrhosis, liver function becomes severely impaired, leading to liver failure. Liver failure results in a range of complications, including jaundice, as the liver struggles to perform its normal functions, including processing of bilirubin. Number 8. Swollen legs and ankles. Last but not least is swollen legs and ankles. It's because the liver produces albumin, a protein that helps maintain the oncotic pressure in the blood vessels, preventing fluid from leaking into surrounding tissues. When the liver is damaged, its ability to produce albumin is reduced, especially in the lower extremities due to gravity, leading to swelling in the legs and ankles. Besides, advanced liver disease causes scarring and cirrhosis, leading to increased resistance to blood flow through the liver. This condition is known as portal hypertension and increases the pressure in the portal vein. Portal hypertension causes fluid to accumulate in the abdomen and lower extremities, resulting in swelling of the legs and ankles. Remember, your health is in your hands. These minor changes in your body leave a very strong impact on your health. Fatty liver disease is a condition that normally flies under the radar but has serious health implications if left unchecked. Remember, the liver is a tough organ and many fatty liver disease effects can be managed or even reversed with the right lifestyle changes and medical care. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Until then, stay hydrated and stay healthy.